Elixiers. What's up with y'all? Let's proceed with step 21 of our Rothko painting, shall we? It might look boring, but that's how modern art works these days. I'm not even sure Rothko is modern or ancient, but damn, even kids won't like it. Anyhow, let's add padding of 1 pixel to our first rectangular box. Step 22. Okay, padding was wrong choice. So let's replace it with overflow and set its value to hidden. We don't want to mess with our measurements. Step 23. Let's add another division element with a class value set as 2, which is second rectangle box. Step 24. Now let's style our second rectangle box by setting its width to 475 pixels. Step 25. Set the height of second rectangle box to 200 pixels. Step 26. Set the background color of second rectangle box to somewhat red color. Step 27. Now let's set the margin of second box to auto. Step 28. Let's create another rectangular box below the second one by adding another division element with the class set to 3. Step 29. Let's style our third box by setting its width to 91% if you got bored by using pixels. Step 30. Now let's set the height of third box to 28%. Alright, that was all for today, folks. Hope you guys like, share, comment on my videos. Do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any updates. Stay tuned for further steps and chapters. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.